Online seller ka ng
jewelry.
How old are you? You look young.
23.
Magkano to? Magkano mo binibenta to? Oy! Doon muna, pasok ka muna, City. Ang mahal nito, parang ang hirap maging sweet. Another watch, another day. Meron naman tayo. Next transaction natin. Hi ma'am, kamusta po? Sorry sa pagkantay ha. Kapila si madam kanina pa. 8 AM pa lang, makapila na siya dito sa labas. Para kumuha ng NBI clearance ma'am, no? Alright, sige. Kamusta ma'am? Ma'am, your name pala?
Jassy.
Jassy Hyde, nice to meet you ma'am.
May.
Alright.
Really my birthday.
Really today?
Yes.
O, kantaan na natin? May HBD discount pare. Yan ang HBD discount. So, alright, sige. You are looking for 2 watches lang, no? These 2.
Yes.
Are you looking to buy 2 or only 1?
One only.
Taruin mo na, birthday mo naman eh.
First watch pa lang eh.
First watch pa lang. First Rolex.
Yes.
What do you do for a living?
Online selling.
Online seller ka ng...
Jewelry.
How old are you? You look young.
23.
Tapos nagninegosyo ka na jewelry. How long have you been in the business?
1 year.
Ba't ka natatawa? 1 year, maaga ka na nag-start eh. Ako nag-start ako 23 dun sa business ko talaga na ano, yung paraket-raket ko matagal na yung mga shoes ko. Pero yung business ko talaga, which is the coffee shop that I built, was when I was 23 years old. Pero pandemic happened, you know. What's the name of your page?
Yes, Go Jewelry.
May blue check.
Yes.
Buti pa si madam may blue check. Kami nga wala eh. Ano sir, ba't yung page natin wala pang blue check? Paayos mo naman.
Bago pa lang eh.
Bago pa lang kami. Wala pa kami 1 year. Gentry timepieces started last June. So we're just 9 months. Anyway, you're looking at 2 watches. This one is a little different. This is brand new. This is the Tiffany dial, 31mm. And this is also 31mm, but this comes in a salmon Roman dial. Na 2-tone naman siya na rose gold. So for this one, this is a 2014 model. And this one is 2024 brand new model. Which one ba ang mas trip nyo? Kung you want to be like playful yan, something like this, like a color of a candy. And this one actually has been rumored to be discontinued na.
At saka sought after daw.
Yes, sought after Tiffany. Tiffany dial. Which one? Try mo muna naman para makita natin kung ano yung bagay sa'yo. Ano nakate? Ano pare? Gahanap ka kasi ng tennis bracelet, di ba? Magkano to? Magkano mo binibenta to sa inyo?
Mga 450.
Manager, 550 na lang. Sige na. Ayaw po. 500. Ang laki mo matong. Kay manager naman. Pass flip kay manager.
Ring kay ano? Kay Sweetie.
Oy! Doon muna. Pasok ka muna, City. Pinapasok.
Wala akong nayot.
Hindi ko kasalanan yan. Ang mahal nito, parang ang hirap maging sweet. Okay, tayo ang nagbibenta. Don't teach the teacher. Pero ma'am, bagay sa'yo.
This best investment for ano?
Definitely naman. Dito, well, dito na rin. Maganda rin naman to as investment. Anong mas ano mo? Ito, very maging professional ka na.
28 years old ka dyan.
28 years old ka dyan. Kaya 29. Yung 23 dito ka rin.
Malaki din yung discount. Alam mo, ilang gabi ko pinapanood. Sabi ko, gusto mo try yung negotiation.
Negotiate tayo. Wala nang problema. Mas feel mo to, ano?
Yes.
Mas parang energized ka dito. Alright, this one, 2024, November, just a few months old. 277200 reference. This one, honestly, I can only give you from 689, 680, mga girls.
Sige.
Done?
Done.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Maraming salamat.
Dapat hindi pa.
Hindi, yun na talaga eh.
Naghintay pa ako more words.
More words of wisdom.
Nagpa-layaway din ako dati ng mga Rolex.
Pag installment, they get the product na. And then they pay on a monthly basis. Pag layaway naman, you don't get the product and you pay it once you completely full pay, doon mo lang pwedeng kunin yung product. Learnings.
Dictionary.
Would be perfect, ma'am.
Ganda. Thank you so much, madam.
Regalo mo to, ma'am.
Ganong ano, pera. Wala pang cash na gano'n.
Jewelry, walang cash. Di ako naniniwala.
O di ba reinvest?
Okay, tama naman. Ayun, okay, tama. Tapos na. Yung hoodie natin, pare. Small lang siguro si ma'am or good luck sa business. Maraming salamat. Thank you po. Ma'am, thank you po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you din.
Kita nyo guys, 8BD. Another day, another birthday.